I just unboxed the eGurukul notes that I just received today and just now, and I unboxed it, and it came at my address in just 7 days from Delhi. I live in Indore, and I got two stick notes and two highlighters, and I just got anesthesia, pediatrics, psychiatry, radio, ortho, forensic medicine part 1 and 2. As you can see that these are handmade notes for various subjects, and I pretty like them because the font is looks very friendly and lucid. It is written in a very lucid and precise manner that gonna help me in quick grasping of the subjects. Anesthesia, forensic medicine, orthopedics, forensic medicine 2.0, psychiatry, and radiology 2.0. Where's 1.0? Everything in 1.0 and 2.0, two modules. That gonna be easy for lifting. Carrying them to college would be easy if they are in two parts. You can see the way the notes are written. Orthopedics 2.0 by Dr. Sushil Vijay, Ortho Guru. So it was great to have this set. I will be waiting for the remaining subjects because I am in second prof and just exams are coming, so I was just thinking of reading these notes, but I got the pre-final and final year subjects modules. Thank you friends for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like. Thank you.